D'Souza. I have a C200. I've had really bad experiences in the past doing a paint job, any kind of mechanical work in the car. And I came across Luxury Fix on Facebook and I decided to look them up. So I met Bhavesh and then Kabir. Great experience so far. Costing, not a problem. And I'm just waiting to see how the experience lasts. I'm doing full body work, overcoat, interiors and complete mechanical job. So can't wait. Hey guys, so I left my C200 here about a month ago, month and a half, for complete interiors, exterior paint, and a few mechanical work. And I'm back after a month, and I'm really excited to see how the car has turned out. So let's go. Check the car out. Wow. Now this is the kind of work I had expected, and this is exactly what I was looking for. Look at the beauty. I'm really happy with the work, the paint, the interiors, and pretty much everything. It's a 2010 model. It doesn't look like a 2010 model. Really happy. Thank you, Luxury Fix. Okay, let's see. Wow. Yeah. As you can see, guys, the interiors have been revamped completely. I'm in love with the interiors. I'm in love with the car as a whole. I need to thank Kabir and his team. They've done a fabulous job. Really happy. As you can see, beautifully done. Alright, Luxury Fix, thank you so much. See ya. Chalo. Alright.